Hello students, I am Raja Chauhan from Lakshya International School Maheshwar. Today we are going to continue chapter number 6 Ratio and Proportion of class 6th Mathematics. In this video solve exercise number 6.4. In the previous video we already solved 6.1, 6.2 and 6.3. Now we will solve first question. Arun can walk 15 km in 3 hours. How far he walk in 4 hours? Now the given, as you know, Arun walk 15 km in 3 hours. So distance walked by Arun in 1 hour is 15 by 3. That is 5 kilometers. This is the distance. Now distance he can walk in 4 hours. So you have to multiply with 4. 4 into 5, 20. So 20 kilometer he walk in 4 hours. The weight of, now question number 2, the weight of 28 notebooks in 1.120 kilogram. Find the weight of 40 such notebooks. Now the weight of 28 is 1.120 kilogram. Weight of one book will be, now you have to divide by 28 because this is the 28 notebook weight. So 1.120 divided by 28, so 0.04. This is the weight of one book. Now weight of 40 will be, now here you have to multiply with 40. So when you will multiply with 40 into 0.04, you will get 1.6. This is your answer. Now question number 3. The cost of 17 pence is 85. Find the cost of 39 pence. Now here cost of 17 pence is 85. This is given. Now cost of 1 pen will be 85 divided by 17. You will get 5. Now what you have to do for find out the cost of 39 pence, you have to multiply 5 into 39. You will get 195. So you can find the cost of 39 pen, that is 195 rupees. Now the cost of 11 tables is 13,255. How many tables can we purchase for 24,100? Now the cost of 11 table is 13,255. Now cost of one table will be, you have to divide 13,255 by 11. So you will get rupees 1205. This is the cost of one table. Now you have to find out the number of tables that can be purchased in rupees 2410. So you have to divide by 1205. So you can find out how many table you can purchase in this price. So how many? 20 will be the answer. Now question number 5. The cost of 15 cards is 37.50. Find the cost of 55 cards. So first we will find out the cost of one card. So how we can find 37.50 divided by 15? Now you will get 2.5. Now this is the cost of one card. Now how to find 55 cards price? So you have to multiply with 50 into 2. So you will get 137.5. This is the cost of 55 cards. Now Seema earns 1050 in 7 days. How much will she earn in 30 days? Seema earns 1050 in 7 days. So she will earn in 1 day equals to 1050 divided by 7. So the answer will be 150. Now this is the 1 day she earns. Now in 30 days, how many earns? 30 multiply 150. So rupees 4,500 she earns in 30 days. Now question 5 boats can accommodate 250 people. How many boats will be required for 700 people? Now the number of people one boat can accommodate equals to 250 divided by 5. You will get 50 people. Now the number of boats required to accommodate 700 people. So what you have to do, 700 divided by 50. So how many boats are there? 14. So 14 boat required for 700 people to accommodate. Now question number 8. A car needs 3 liters of petrol for 57 kilometer. How much petrol will be needed for 190 kilometer? Now the distance car can travel in 1 liter equals to 57 divided by 3. You will get 19. Now petrol needed to travel 190 kilometers. So 190 divided by 19. So you will get 10 liter. Now question number 9. The cost of 2 dozen bananas is 48 rupees. What is the cost of 30 bananas? Now the cost of 2 bananas is rupees 48. 2 dozen banana. Now cost of 1 banana will be 424. Now as you know, in 1 dozen there is 12 quantity. So here there is given 2 dozen, means 12 plus 12 24. So here we have written 48 by 24. So rupees 2 is the cost of 1 banana. Now we have to find out the cost of 30 banana. So 2 multiply 30, you will 60. So 60 will be the answer. Now question number 10. A train can cover 350 km in 5 hours. How much distance cover in 8? So distance covered in 1 hour equals to 350 divided by 5. You will get 70 km. Now distance covered 8 hours. So 70 multiplied by 8 equals to 560 km. So this is the distance which can be covered in 8 hours. Now question number 11. A car covers 45 km in 54 minutes. How long will it take to cover 70 km? Now distance covered in 1 minute equals to 45 divided by 54 minutes. So 0.83 km. Now time the car will take to cover 70 km. So 70 divided by 0.83. So 84.33 minutes. This is the time. This is the time taken over 7 meter. Now question number 12. The cost of 20 pence is 320 rupees. Find the cost of 38 such pence. Now the cost of 1 pen will be 32 divided by 20, means 16 rupees of 1 pen. Now the cost of 38 such pens will be 38 multiply 16. Answer will be 08. Now question number 13. 10 packets of milk fill a can of 25 liters. What is the capacity of 25 such packets? Now the number of cans a packet of milk can fill, 25 divided by 10 means 2.5. Now can be filled by 25 such packets equals to, so 25 multiplied 2.5, you will get 62.5 cans. Now dinner at a restaurant cost rupees 1050 for 10 people. How many people can have dinner for rupees 1995? So cost of one dinner is 1050 divided by 10, means 105 will be the cost of one person dinner. Now how we can find out then how many people can have dinner for 1995 rupees? So you have to divide 1995 divide by 105. So the 19 people will be the answer. 19 people can have the dinner for rupees 1995. Question number 15. Ramesh purchased 10 pens for rupees 270. Seema purchased 8 pens for 200 and Rita purchased 15 pens for rupees 300. Who got the best deal? Now Ramesh purchased 10 pens for rupees 270. Seema purchased 8 pens for rupees 200. Now Rita purchased 15 pens for rupees 300. Cost of 1 pen purchased by Ramesh equals to 270 divided by 10, means rupees 27. Now cost of 1 purchase divided by Seema, 200 divided by 8, you will get 25. Now cost of 1 pen purchased by Rita, that is 300 divided by 15, you will get 20. So you can see which price is less, 20, 25 or 27. 20 means Rita got the best deal. Now question number 16. Rakesh cycles 18 km in 3 hours and Behram cycles 20 km in 4 hours. Who has the better speed? How long will each take to cover a distance of 60 km? So Rakesh cycles 18 km in 3 hours. Behram cycles 20 km in 4 hours. Now Rakesh cycles 18 by 3 kilo 1 hour 6 kilometer. Now Behram cycles 20 divided by 4 kilometer 1 hour means 5 kilometer. So you can see speed is better 5 or 6. 6 means Rakesh has better speed. Now time taken by Rakesh to cover 60 kilometer, that is 60 divided by 6 means hour. Taken by Behram to cover 60 kilometer, that is 60 by 5, that will be 12 hours. Here we have completed exercise number 6.4. Now in the next video we will start the next chapter. Till that you have to prepare these questions very well. Thank you and have a nice day.